Cut the plastic film and take out the toolbox. Inside toolbox there is 1 spare nozzle, 5 pack of screws, 1 pack of wrench, bell idler, timing bell, spatula, filament detector, Z-axis limit switch, USB cable, track filament, SD card and SD card reader. There is a detailed instruction in it and it's in English language. Takeaway file. First, we take out spool holder, S-axis right pulley, left pulley, extruder pad, Z-axis aluminum profile, X-axis aluminum profile. Now take out the machine base, power cable, and 2-step motor. Now we start to install S-axis parts. Find the S-axis right pulley and left pulley. There is 2 pairs aluminum profiles. The short one is for S-axis. Now we take away the long one. Use knife, cut the plastic film. There are 2 aluminum profiles in it, one long, one short. This time we use the long one. Now we use the distance of drill hole on the aluminum profile to determine its left or right. The long distance is for left pulley. The short distance is for right pulley. Tag the left pulley. The screw hand should end to the hole of aluminum profile. Use the hex key to tighten the T-nut, and the T-nut should be 90 degrees with the aluminum slope. That means it's fixed. Tag the right pulley the same. The hand of screw end to the hole of aluminum profile. Then tighten the T-nut and find the timing bell. Stuff it into the slot of aluminum profile. And make sure the teeth of timing bell should face downward. Take the extruder part and make sure the nozzle face downward. Let the wheel of extruder pass through the bell and get into the slope of aluminum profile. Hook the left of timing bell onto the slope of extruder pad. Find the bell idler and install it on the left side of S-axis. Let the timing bell bypass the idler, the same hook on the extruder pad. And the idler should be tightened later. Then the S-axis part is finished. Now start Z-axis part. Find the Z-axis aluminum profile, step motor, limit switch. Open the package. And there's 1 lead screw inside the aluminum profile. And there is blue loop on the lead screw. Get 1 aluminum profile and let the drilling hole face upward. Let the T-nut of step motor stuck into slot. The bottom of step motor should be flat with aluminum profile. Tighten the screw. Let the T-nut of limit switch stuck into the slot and close still to the step motor. Tighten the screw. Now start machine main body install. Cut the cable tie on the timing belt and install Z-axis aluminum profile to base, and ensure the step motor should face to the back of the base and two drill holes should face outside. Find N5 times 40 screw. Tighten the screws. After install Z-axis, put the S-axis part onto Z-axis. Make sure the nozzle face downward and extruder fan face outside. Find the last aluminum profile. The drill hole should face upward. Find N5 times 25 screws and tighten the screw. If one side is tightened, the screw on the other side cannot be turned. You can loosen the two screws on the S-axis left pulley first, then tighten the screw on top and go back to tighten the screw on the left pulley. Find the lead screw and tear the plastic film, turn it into the right pulley of S-axis. Loose the first screw on the coupling and do not touch the second one. Turn the lead screw until it reaches inside the coupling. After getting to the coupling, tighten the first screw. Find the filament detector and N3 times 8 screws. Install the detector onto S-axis right pulley. Ensure the socket of detector should face downward. Tighten the screws. Find extruder motor. Loose these 3 screws on it. The socket of motor should face to the back of the machine. Install the extruder ball. After install extruder, now stretch the timing belt. Use hex key insert to the idler. Use force to pull it out. Let the belt strain, then tighten the screw. Now start cable connection. Tear the plastic film. Find the limit switch cable, connect it. Find the axis motor cable, connect it. Find detector cable, connect it. Extruder motor, connect it. S-axis motor, connect it. The last is 8-pin extruder cable. Hook it into the ring. Install it on the extruder pad. Connect the cable. Let the feed tune pass through the plastic ring on the extruder cable. Then insert it into quick coupling. Now install the screw holder. Find N5 times 8 screws and the holder. Install it onto the back of the machine base. Tighten the screws. Find the cowl cable. Remove the warning label. Ensure the power cable connects to the ground and is forbidden to use other power cable. Before turning on the power, check the power switch at the bottom of the machine. Check whether the voltage is suitable for the local power supply. Plug in power cable. Turn on power. Now let the machine go back to home point. Press the rotation button. Choice Prepare. Choice Auto Home. After go back to home point, now start leveling. Press rotation button. Choice Prepare. Choice Disable steppers. Turn the screw under platform anti-clockwise. Platform will go down to below the nozzle. Now use hand move extruder into the platform. Set the first leveling point somewhere near the screw. Put an A4 paper between nozzle and platform. The distance between nozzle and A4 paper should be about 0.1 mm. Now use one hand turn the screw clockwise. Platform will go up. And another hand draw the A4 paper until there is friction when A4 paper moves. Leveling the rest 3 points. More accurate of the distance, more easy for the printing. Upload filament. Go to Menu. Choice Prepare. Choice Move Axis. Choice Move Z. Then choose Move 1 mm. Then turn the button clockwise and Z axis will left up. Enter into Prepare. Choice Preheat PLA and click Preheat PLA. Then the nozzle and platform will heat up. Find tri filament and tear the plastic film. Stretch the teeth. Let it pass through filament detector. Press this part. Insert filament into feed tube. Manually push it to the nozzle. And there will filament come out from nozzle. Insert SD card in correct direction. When need to change SD card, have to turn off printer for 10 seconds. This is to avoid reading failure. Press button, enter into menu. Choice Print from SD. Find the model need to be printed and press. After reach the certain temperature, printing will start.